So as it turns out, you guys will actually not see me in the same clothes. I decided to wear my old job t-shirt because it's getting hot out here. And we're doing some boost leak fixing on the Mark V. My boy Sammy with the Mark V is still here 2 days later. It's taken him 2 days to clean up these exhaust tips.
Yeah, okay.
But they are coming out really good. Well, for them it's 2 days.
Day 2.
Day 2. Come on. How does SpongeBob say it?
Day 2.
If you guys remember a while back ago, I told you guys that he had a charge pipe leak. We kind of fixed it, but not really. Like, the coupler's still not holding up. So what we're gonna do now is actually just cut off that coupler connection and just add a whole new coupler. It's gonna be down there, so we gotta jack the car up. But in the meantime, he is cleaning out the exhaust tips. I think he wants to wrap also this bottom valance here in carbon fiber because we got some Vivid vinyl left over. And he also wants to do the bottom middle piece of this Vortex front bumper. Now he's got a couple, the sides coming in with the same sort of design as this, so that's all going to be uniform. So yeah, so stay tuned for that. He did a little engine bay cleaning, so it looks a lot better, and the gold intake still looks good. I always like how that gold looks on there, but I ended up having to take mine off because of the issues that I was having. So yeah, but new intake coming in soon. So let's jack up the car and get down there because we have to fix this as soon as we can. I have my Amazon pipe cutters right there, the same ones I use to the to do the exhaust setup. So I should be able to cut them using this. Alright guys, so if you come down here, this is the charge pipe that leads up to the throttle body, and then this is the coupler that I'm talking about, and then that's the weird connection. So what we're going to do is actually cut it back over here and then get a hose connector that's long enough to go from here to over there, which we should be able to do either with this BFG tuning leftover piece. They asked me not to send it back, so I'm just gonna try to cut it right there because it doesn't necessarily leak, it just has that weird hole in it, and then hopefully it fits with these same clamps. I'm gonna unbuckle both of these clamps here. It's a little messy because there's a little oil on there, but chances are it's probably coming from this charge pipe because it's not a lot. It's just like little drips, little drip. So unbuckle this. Unbuckle this one here. Take that off altogether. Sammy, you don't need charge pipes, man.
What happened?
So you don't need charge pipes.
No?
No, man. Because this will be a solid connection.
But I was thinking about doing the muffler delete.
That's fine.
And then going right into the charge pipe. You get me?
It goes into the charge pipe already. You don't need it. I got gloves on, but I'm probably gonna need another set after taking this off. Yeah, it's definitely in here, the leak.
Yeah.
Yep. All right, I actually want to clean this.
Yeah?
Yeah. Do you have like shot brags? All right, so what we did here was actually cut out that stupid ring here. I actually wanted to cut out a little bit further back, but I realized that that thing was there as well. So we gotta try to get this in here. It looks a lot more secure. From the top, you could even see it.
That last one is clamped on real tight?
Yeah.
Not the back one, the front one.
Yeah.
Alright, cool.
Look at that. Much better connection. It was weird. The way the old one was, it was a stupid little coupler that went inside of there, so we just chopped that whole section off and just did a hose that went straight across. Sammy got my old hydro shield, so he won't be getting any water in there. It'd be nice if there was, you know how they do it on mine? Where they do the metal thing that goes around? So I think we fixed this boost leak. I'm gonna jack down the car. You know all the hate we're gonna get for working on the car with just a jack? People love that stuff. They love to comment on it. It isn't the safest thing in the world, but you know what? That thing is missing wheels anyway, so it's kind of like a floor jack. Yeah, and it's low pro, just, you know, for low life. How's the turbo? Steady?
So steady.
What's with the little... Why are you getting more popping?
That's why I'm like, what the hell?
That's good. That's good. Ooh, those things. Oh, I like how that sounds, Sammy.
That's my cold start, that's why.
Oh.
I just realized that.
Yeah, you're good. Let's not wake up all the neighbors. For the most part, it came out pretty sick looking. It looks really nice, matched with the hood. Car's a little dirty right now, but the car looks so sick with this. It's that little bottom piece that we did in carbon fiber. The paint was chipping in a couple areas, so that's why you see a little bit of painter's tape. We added a little glue underneath the vinyl because it pulled up the paint. But otherwise, once that thing sets in, it's gonna look so sick. Yeah, doing a little rag action, Sammy.
That should look nice.
Yeah, no, we gotta repolish the hood. Yep, so that's pretty much gonna do it for today's video, guys. We still have some Caffeine Team stickers available, so if you guys are interested in that, make sure you hit me up on the email down below. Just let me know what you want. I'll send you over some instructions on how to get them. And if you did pick up some Caffeine Team stickers, make sure you guys hashtag me on Instagram on whatever you put it on. It could be your coffee mug, it could be your car, it could be whatever the heck you want to put it on. Make sure you guys just tag me on it. Because I do want to share that with the community. Thank you for those new guys on Instagram. Appreciate that. We have a little bit over 700 now followers on there, so I'd love to kind of convert all of my YouTubers to the Instagram-ish thing, because that's cool. Sammy, any final words?
I got close to 2,000. Actually,
You gotta call me. Let me know how the car drives with the new charge pipe. I kind of forgot we just did that.
That was yesterday.
No, that was today.
No.
All right, brother. I'll check you later. See you in the next one, boys. Peace out.